What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jeep TV. I'm Brett, and today we're going to be working on the Savage Express. This is my buddy John's Jeep. We got a few things he's brought over, and we are going to tackle them today. We've got limb risers that are going on. We've got new hood latches and some fog lights, which are going to be hopefully bright as hell.
Hopefully.
Anyways, this is his Jeep. He's done a lot to it already. He's got a lot going on. Black and red. So I'm going to be yellow and red, he's going to be black and red. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and start with the fog lights. Alright, so we've got them in place. There was already holes here on his bumper. What type of bumper is this?
This is a XRC Smitty built.
So yeah, there's already holes here for us to mount these up. So it was not very hard.
No, not at all.
It's kind of
probably the easiest install you've had.
Plug and play, baby. Now we just have to worry about the wiring. I think we're gonna try to go off of the fog lights that he has and tap into those. So I think they should be okay. I don't know what the light, amp rating is on these or whatever, but I think they should be fine.
You cut that off there.
I'm gonna cut it.
There's yours and there's mine.
Alright. Okay. Alright, so in doing this, we found out which wires are what.
So, black's your negative, white's your hot.
Stripping them back. And we're just going to put these wire clamp sleeves on there. And then we'll tuck it back and pretty it up. Alright guys, so we got the fog lights mounted. And they're fully functioning.
Turn them on?
Yeah, go and turn them on. So, basically you just snip your wires from your original fog lights and wire them in. Easy peasy. So we are moving on to the next thing. We're going to go ahead and do the hood latches and get the limb risers. So we're just going to keep on chugging along and we're going to check it out when we get done. Okay, so update on getting the hood latches off. We're taking the Jeep grill down, that way we can actually access the one nut we have to get to. And we have these little swivels too to get in there, and it's still a pain in the ass.
Sorry.
So we got this one out. Just working on finishing up that one.
Music in the background, blah, blah, blah thing.
We are halfway home. This has really been a pain. So we've got it's a hello. It's a 13. Oh, what the hell? So it's a 13 mil, and the actual, I guess, hood latches come with an
Allen head.
Allen head You actually have to hold the a nut, and you have to get a washer and all that stuff down in behind here, and it is a pain in the ass. So really, you really need like one person holding it and one person with like really skinny fingers to get it in there. Alright, so we've got the limb riser underneath the hood latch. So as soon as we get these all set, we're going to look into getting the rivet gun out to do the limb risers for the top. So we're almost there. We are done with everything except for getting the limb riser top part. So what we're going to go ahead and do is drill up here, get these 3 holes done, and then I went and picked up a rivet gun. We're going to have to rivet it to the inside here, so it'll stick out a little bit. Anyways, we're going to video us doing this, and then we'll install the risers to go down and attach to the hood mount.
Fitted or not. Kind of clutch that in.
There we go. Now we've got the holes drilled. Yeah, it is really hard to see because of the sun.
Yeah, exactly.
Right there. It's on there. That one did a lot better.
Yeah. So what goes?
I guess you'll just have to adjust out this turnbuckle. We got 2 sides of it. We can keep going. I don't know how long it is.
I'm almost there.
As soon as it gets there, it's gonna fall off. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of the video. Thank you so much for joining us today. Got some stuff done on Gear's Jeep. Get the limb risers, the hood latches, and put his new fog lights on there. He did get all those from, I guess, between Amazon and eBay, I do believe. So I may try to research and figure out what he has and you know, list them below. I think he got everything for a reasonable price. So anyways, coming up on the next video, we are going to be putting the Jeep bumper on my Jeep. I'm pretty excited about it. And then Mama's Jeep behind me, her rear bumper has to be put on. So we've got a lot to do in a little bit of time for Jeep Invasion. Anyway, stay tuned guys. Thanks so much. Peace out. Take care. Keep Jeeping. out here to do some shots with Gear and his Jeep after doing the upgrades, and I pulled all the way up on this rock, and I have literally like flexed this thing out as much as possible. Like, I mean, that's like down to the, I mean, you can't even slide a quarter in there. This thing is flexed out to max. Factory shots. "2.5" budget boost on 37s. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and back off and head to the house. Now we gotta pull off this rock, Ethan. Yep. Knew that was gonna happen. Back down the 2-wheel drive. Be ready to rock and roll, buddy. May tackle those big rocks over there in SoCo. Those things are huge. So, I mean, these rocks are pretty big, guys. It's not just, you know, little bitty rocks we're pulling up on. Anyways, alright, that's it. Peace out.